So in this question, we're looking for the price to earnings ratio. Now the price to earnings ratio is defined as the price per share of stock of the firm divided by the firm's earnings per share. So first we need to find the price of the firm's stock. Since we have some information about the book value and economic value added, we want to use the following formula for price. It says that the price of a share of stock equals the total market value of the firm, the market value of its equity, divided by the shares outstanding. This will give us the market value of the equity on a per share basis, which is exactly what a share of stock is. The market value of a firm is its book value plus the present value of all future economic value added. So we're told that the book value per share is $15. Basically, the approach we're taking here is to find the market value of a firm's equity, the total market value of its equity. You take the book value, which is the amount of assets, liabilities, and equity it has on its accounting statements, and you add any economic value that it intends to add, that the market values it will add over the course of its life. So basically, we're given this number, this economic value added each year. We're going to treat it as a perpetuity, find the present value of it. That'll give us the value today of all economic value added, and we'll be able to add that to the book value to get the total market value of the firm. So again, we're told that the book value per share is $15. Since we're told the number of shares, the total book value is a $15 book value per share times the number of shares, 6.5 million. That gives us a total book value of $98,133,750. Well, now we have to find the present value of all economic value added. We're told that the economic value added next year is $2.985 million, and it's expected to grow at 4%. Since the weighted average cost of capital is 12%, we can find the present value of all future economic value added by treating it as a constant growth perpetuity. So the net present value, or the market value added, which is what we call this present value of all future EVA, is just the payment in period 1, $2.985 million, divided by the discount rate, which in this case is our weighted average cost of capital, 12%, minus the growth rate of 4%. So it's just like we're finding the present value of a perpetuity of cash flows that are growing, a constant growth perpetuity, and we find that the market value added is $98 million. So now we can find the total market value of our firm. It's the book value plus the market value added, and that gives us the $98 million plus the $37.3 million, gives us a total market value of $135,446,250. So this means the price of a single share of stock, remember the price is just the market value divided by the shares outstanding, so it's the 135 million divided by the 6.5 million shares. That gives us a price of $20.70. So we're given an earnings per share of $2.13, and now we have all the information we need to find what the price to earnings ratio is. Remember, the price to earnings ratio is the price of a share of stock divided by the firm's earnings per share. So it's the $20.70 divided by $2.13. That gives us a price to earnings ratio of 9.72.